battery swapping, charging delays, maintenance downtime. If this sounds familiar, it's because your rental forklifts are still using lead-acid batteries. But there is a better solution. Hala Lithium Forklifts, which are available for rent from Hala. They are powered by high-performance lithium batteries, which charge quickly during operator breaks. So you can run a 3-shift operation and increase productivity. There is no downtime and no battery swapping. Your electricity consumption is lower too, which reduces your operating costs by up to 30%. And best of all, your forklift operators will thank you because there is no water top-up and no battery maintenance. Hala Lithium Forklifts provide consistent power throughout the shift and make the driving experience smooth and responsive. Our lithium forklifts are ideal for moving goods in warehouses and industrial environments, and they perform just as reliably outdoors in temperatures up to 55 degrees centigrade as they do indoors. With long-lasting batteries and zero emissions, our lithium forklifts are also a more sustainable choice. When you rent from Hala, you are assured of well-maintained and safety-checked forklifts. Each machine is backed by rapid service support whenever you need it. Add flexible contracts and lower operating costs, and the choice becomes clear. Rent Hala Lithium Forklifts from Hala. Connect with us today and power your operations with lithium.